Children, today we will learn the sound of vowel E, and we also understand the short sound and long sound. Short sound of E is A. What? The short sound of E is A. Let's look some words that have short sound. P-E-N, pen. Okay, the sound of E is A. P-E-N, pen. B-E-L-L, bell. Here the sound of E is A, so it is short sound. N-E-S-T, nest. So the short sound I have used here. T-E-L-L, tell. H-E-N, hen. Here I have written short sounds of E. Okay. Now see the long sound of vowel E. D-double-E-P, deep. Here the sound of double E is E. So I have used here long sound of E. Okay. Next word is T-R-double-E, tree. It is a long sound of E. N-E-A-R, near. I have used here two sounds, E and A. That is two vowel. So it is a long sound. S-L-E-E-P, sleep. So it is also a long sound of E. And you know, children, when words have same ending sound, then it is called rhyming words. See here, same ending sound means last sound जो letters होंगे उनकी sound same आएगी तो वो rhyming words होते हैं. Now look some words that have rhyming words. P-E-N, pen. G-E-N, den. आपने ऑब्जर्व किया लास्ट साउंड जो है इसकी सेम है. N-N, P-E-N, pen. G-E-N, den. So these are rhyming words. See another word. M-E-N-D, mend. S-E-N-D, send. It has also same ending sound. J-double-E-P, jeep. D-double-E-P, deep. So these are rhyming words. B-double-E-B, F-double-E-C, W-E-A-R, where. N-E-A-R, near. B-E-D, bed. R-E-D, red. So you can understand short sound of vowel E, long sound of vowel E, and some rhyming words. You will learn all these words.